तो किसी राक्षस का अवतार लागे है।
सुसाइड केस 2 महीने हो गए यहाँ पड़े, अभी तक कोई नहीं आया पूछने।
That was something which is out of Sonakshi's league. We do not expect Sonakshi to, talk like that or to interact like that.
Then first those episodes देख के वो बोलेंगे अरे छोड़ दो ऐसे टाइप का है.
And one thing that I absolutely love about that man is his eyes. He acts from his eyes like nobody's business.
Hi everyone, what's up? This is RJ Sheetal from Bangalore and I have with me two beautiful ladies. Say hi guys.
This is RJ Manasa from Hyderabad, Fever FM.
This is RJ Sona from Fever FM Lucknow. Welcome to OTT X-Ray. Today we are talking about Amazon Prime Video पे release हो चुकी Dahad.
I am so excited about this. You know, when I saw the trailer, I was like, boss, this release because Vijay Varma playing a serial killer and Sonakshi Sinha playing a serious cop and Reema Kafti having, directed it. And there is Gulshan Devaya. I'm like, yeah, this is my cup of tea, baby.
In fact, I feel that crime drama web series is my go-to web series, yaar. कितना भी और देख लो, crime drama is absolute love. And I feel Sonakshi Sinha's best performance is in Dahad.
I would say Lutera. No, I would say Lutera.
No, then cop and all of that, like a lady dabang, right? Like a lady dabang.
OTT, I would agree to what Sheetal is saying on OTT because इससे पहले भी there was a film that released XXL. I did not personally like it that much. But मतलब उनमें मुझे तो सोनाक्षी काफी overrated लगी थी. But over here in Dahad, she's playing a serious cop role. And my favorite part was when she was going कहीं पे एकदम दबंग lady दबंग लग रही थी वो और उसको कहते हैं lady दबंग जा रही हो कहीं. And then she reverts it in full Rajasthani language. That was something which is out of Sonakshi's league. We do not expect Sonakshi to talk like that or to interact like that क्योंकि हमने पहले उनकी ऐसी कोई सीरीज देखी नहीं है. So I think OTT में अब तक दहाड़ में Sonakshi Sinha has just done a bang on job. Also, I love the idea of watching crime series at night. I don't know, I have this something very weird. Crime series at night hits you on a different
lights
level.
off करके popcorn लेके कंबल ओढ़ के आप देखो crime series
one episode.
It hits you on a
Crime
different
series
level.
में ना आप एक episode पे नहीं रुक सकते.
I know. But for me, first impression was the seriousness of it. Reema Kafti, somebody who doesn't do mainstream. Whatever she shows, pace is slow hota hai pace, and detailing बहुत होती है. Every small detailing comes out. अगर पुलिस ऑफिसर्स के बारे में दिखा रहे तो इंटरनली सिस्टम कैसा होगा, सीनियर्स एंड जूनियर्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप कैसा होगा, लोग कम्युनल डिस्प्यूट्स क्या हो रहे हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो बाहर निकल के आए. बट सोनाक्षी सिन्हा इन अ सीरियस कॉप रोल, दैट इज फैंटास्टिक. आई वुड हैव वांटेड टू सी मोर ऑफ विजय वर्मा. ही इज फैंटास्टिक इन व्हाट ही इज डूइंग. मुझे कम सीरियल किलर का एंगल दिखाया. फर्स्ट मैंने 4 एपिसोड्स देखे उसमें. आई वांटेड मोर ऑफ इट. फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन yours girls.
ट्रेलर में ही आपको पता चल जाता है कि विजय वर्मा is the killer, right? But in the series itself, as a viewer, you know that he is the one, and you know that there are evidences, but the cop is not able to find it, right? And that curiosity is what is keeping me hooked on to this.
विजय वर्मा clearly नजर आ जाते हैं क्योंकि फाइन वो नेगेटिव रोल में. And one thing that I absolutely love about that man is his eyes. He acts from his eyes like nobody's business. जब वो वहाँ पे बैठता है, वो एक पोएट्री सुना रहा होता है, कहानी सुना रहा होता है, and there's this girl who stands up, who is like कि इसका जो मीनिंग निकाला गया है वो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, वो ऐसा होना चाहिए. And the moment he says कि पहली बार मैंने इतनी खूबसूरती से देखा है किसी को इस चीज का ऐसा मतलब निकालते हुए, तो उसकी आंखों में वो जो शिकार का मोड है ना वो बिल्कुल ऑन हो जाता है भाई साहब. इट इज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. One big shout out to 2 people. One is a production designer because जो opening उसका title sequence है, it is just designed so beautifully, it is directed and it is just so beautiful कि वो आपको पूरी कहानी बता देता है. Production designer, one shout out to Shelza Sharma and the other one, the costume designer Smriti Chauhan. उसने पूरा का पूरा वो जो राजस्थानी लुक होता है ना उसको she has literally researched about it and then came up कि okay fine these are the costume that should be worn. वो जो बारीकियां है ना उस पे बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखा गया है.
Yes.
Okay. So if it's on a scale of 5, then I would give it a 4 for sure.
Yeah. So 4X.
4X. Yeah.
I would easily give it 3.5 to 4.
I would easily give a 3.2. Overall, it's an average of a 3x. I would absolutely give her that 3. Love
So
your
yes,
sister.
you're giving it on an average, yes, it will come up to somewhere near 4x's, you know, तीनों का मिला के. So I think the hard you can go for it, but just be aware, pacing slow hai. If someone who doesn't like slow paced series, it's not for you. But फिर भी it makes a lot of sense. You can enjoy the series in this pace.